Hey loves, what's up? It's Catty and welcome back to my channel, Glam by Catty. If you are new here, welcome. I upload a new video every Sunday. And as you guys can tell from the title of this week's video, it's actually my anniversary. And we have been together for 8 years. I know, it's a long time. And it definitely hasn't been easy. We have been through so much stuff together. He's my rock, my best friend, and my everything. Me and my husband are actually going to go have a little anniversary dinner date, so that is what we'll be getting ready for. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, then just keep watching. So I know I probably look like a complete psycho right now with powder everywhere, but my base is already done and I am baking. That way we can just get straight into the eyeshadow look. And all I need left are the eyes, lips, and highlight. And the process for my base is the same. You guys have seen me do it a million times anyway. So for this eyeshadow look, I wanted to use one palette that had all the shades that I'm gonna need. That way it's just also a lot easier for you guys. So I decided to use my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. And yeah, we're only gonna be using 3 shades from this palette. So if you don't have this palette, that is completely fine. Just use similar shades. So now that you have all the eyeshadow shades that we're going to be needing for this eye look, let's get you guys zoomed in and started. So first you're going to need to take that light brown shadow shade on a small fluffy brush as your transition and just blend it all over your crease. The shade in the Jaclyn palette I'm using is called Perfectionist. Next, take that deep warm brown shade on a small definer brush. You're going to place it in your crease also, but try to stay lower than that transition. This is just to add more depth and help blend the black in so there's a nice gradient. That way you don't have any harsh lines. Any deep warm brown shade will be perfect. The one in the palette is called Homebody. Next, I'm going back in with that small fluffy brush I used to put in the light brown transition shade, and I'm just going over those edges, making sure everything is nice and blended. Next, you're going to need a black gel liner as your base, and I'm just using this Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner in black, and I'm just taking it on a flat brush. I'm just packing it all over my lid, and this will be a base for the black eyeshadow. This does not have to be perfect in any way. This is just your base. So just go on ahead and pack it all over that lid. Next, I'm taking that black shadow, and from the palette, it's the shade Temptress, but any black eyeshadow will be fine. And just pack it on top of that base, and then you're going to slowly start to go up a little bit around the edges, just creating a nice gradient in between the brown. That way everything is nice and blended. This does take a little bit. It's kind of a process, but just keep blending. That's the key to any smoky eye. For this look, I wanted to do a black glitter smoky eye, so I'm taking this L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow in the shade 999 Eternal Black. You can see it's just a very glittery black pigment, so I'm just packing it on top of that black. Next, I'm going to be taking my favorite under eyeliner, the Milani Supreme Kohl liner in black, and I'm just going over my waterline. Now to smoke out my lower lash line, I'm actually going to go in with that warm deep brown shade that we use to deepen up our crease called Homebody. And I like to use brown instead of a black, that way it's not that harsh. And also, if you happen to have brown eyes like me, this will definitely make it pop more. And don't worry about any fallout, that is why we baked underneath the eye, so we can just dust it away at the end. Just keep blending. I know it's a process, but I promise it'll all come together with the smoky eye. Now again, I'm taking that small fluffy brush I used for my transition, and I'm just going to go ahead and further smoke out and blend my lower lash line. Now it's time to add that pop of glitter to my inner corners, so I'm using this NYX Glitter Brilliance. It's just a loose glitter pigment, and I'm just taking some of my eyelash glue to my inner corner to apply it. And I'll take that glitter on a small flat brush and just pack it on there. These glitters are super pigmented and I just love them, and they're also very affordable. Next, I'm going to be taking this Dragun Beauty Explicit Mascara. It's one of my favorite mascaras. I'm just going to apply a quick coat to my lashes before I pop on my falsies. Lashes are on, so now I'm going to go on ahead and apply another quick coat of that Dragun Beauty mascara to my lower lashes. And this black glitter smoky eye with gold inner corner glitter is all completed. Now to set my face, I'll be using the Morphe X Jeffree Star Setting Spray in Strawberry. And for highlight, I'm going to be using my favorite highlighter, the I Heart Revolution Rose Gold Glow Highlight Palette in this gold shade right here. And you guys know I love to apply it first with a blender, and then I'll go on ahead and use my brush, and this definitely intensifies the pigment and just makes it pop. Now for lips, since the eye's so intense, I'm using one of my favorite nudes by Dragun Beauty. It is the Dragun Beauty Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bad Bitch. And if you haven't tried their lipsticks, you definitely need to. They are super long lasting and not sticky at all, and one of my favorites. So this is the completed makeup. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. Just drop it down below in the comments. And I need to quickly go do something with my hair and put on my outfit, and I will be right back to show you guys the final look. So first, I just had to show you guys the black jacket that I paired with this outfit. You guys know I'm a freaking whore for jackets. I just love them so much, and like little cover-ups. So this one is super freaking cute. Just ties right here in the front. It's very long. Like, I'm already short, but it's still pretty freaking long. Let me show you. So normally for shoes, you guys know I am obsessed with wedges just because they are so much easier for me to walk in them instead of heels. But I have these really cute black heels that I haven't worn for a while, so I will just be wearing these. They are pointy black ones, and they have the strap with the studs in the nude, but look at this heel. It's like very small, so I think I'll be okay. And yes, I still have the tags at the bottom, but yeah, I have a shoe problem. So I'm going to be wearing these. And a little tip for heels, that way it's just more comfortable, and these already have a pretty good cushion at the bottom, but I go up half a size. So normally you guys know I'm a 5.5. I actually got these in a 6, and I have extra cushioning that I put at the toe, especially if they're pointed like this, just to help them be more comfortable. So before we get into the outfit, I just wanted to show you guys how I did my hair. It was already down and curly, so I just put it up in this little half like bun thing and pinned it with bobby pins, and then I wrap it around in this little ponytail, and then just leave these two little bang pieces curled out. And this hairstyle is actually kind of sentimental. That's why I did it for our anniversary, because this is actually the hairstyle that I had when I met my husband. So yeah, it's been a minute, and this is how I used to do my hair all the time back then, because it's just super simple and easy to do. So I just thought that he might like that. So this is the outfit that I'll be wearing to dinner. It's just a very pretty black lace bodysuit with like a nude underlay. And I paired it with these black leather joggers, and they tie right here at the waist. And at the bottom, since I'm so short, I like them like to be like kind of cuffed. They like goes in and skinny. I don't know what you call that, but so that completes my anniversary date night dinner look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and also don't forget to drop a comment down below on what other look challenge or video you guys want to see next, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!